Hi guys, and we are back, and I'm sorry I didn't really end the vlog yesterday. Hi Slash. But yeah, we're just gonna go on a little walk here. I got my Junior Ranger badge right here, I'm wearing it. And yeah, we're gonna go and just walk along the beach with my Puma hat and my Puma jersey. Puma person. Even though my favorite type of shoe is Adidas. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna sit right here while I clean off my glasses real quick. Okay, enough of that little munchkin.
No.
We're gonna go.
I got in the camera.
And yeah, we're gonna go walk on the beach, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, Koi.
Do you see the koi through it?
Yeah, I see the Koi. They're cute.
There's like a baby one and then a big one.
See them that well, though. Let's go see. I can see them better down here. Lizard? Oh yeah, I see him.
You
Sorry
saw
for the
gecko
shaky camera.
yesterday. Watch this.
Don't scare him.
Hello, little buddy.
Hi, little guy. Oh, there he goes.
There he goes.
Oh.
There he goes.
Oh.
Oh, he's so cute. That's one of the tiniest stuff. Mom, there's a baby lizard.
Koi.
On the stick. Oh,
Let's go. Try and keep the camera as still as I can.
So guys, we're going to the tide pools today. Not that one. That one's lame. But there's one that way.
Yeah.
That was a big wave.
Was a big wave.
Cool.
Yep. There's the pool. The pool's really refreshing after you've been in the ocean, and it's like really wavy and salty. It's not fake though. They just cut it really short.
And it's so green.
Yeah, everything's green here. It's Maui.
There's still high surf.
Still high surf warning. Wow.
Okay. And it was supposed to end 2 days ago at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, it is. I don't know where he went. I think he might be wanting to take a shower after he went jogging.
Predicted 2 days ago for it to end, and it's still.
Look, it came all the way up to
Wow.
Oh, Jeffrey!
Jerry Bill is still standing.
No, but look at his flip-flops were taken off.
No, they were taken off yesterday.
That must have been from a really big wave.
Taking an early morning beach walk.
Look out for shoes in the ocean.
No, they were gone yesterday, Matthew.
Still. You want to see if we can catch some high surf on camera?
Maybe.
That's not big. Sounds bigger than it is. Oh, Trevor, I found quicksand.
If it was quicksand, you wouldn't be able to get out.
No, it's just you can't go off in some parts of the sand.
Yeah, that's called softer sand. That's not compact. That's all. Yeah, I do. Yeah, there's some dogs up there.
There's Daddy!
Oh, hi, Daddy!
Daddy! Are you coming out on the walk again?
Oh, hope I don't get copyright for my whistling. Oh. Hi, Slish.
Jeffrey! Big wave! I swear those like sound louder than they actually are. Surfer!
Oh yeah.
Really?
They are. Because they break early and they don't break big. Sorry guys for a shaky camera.
Oh, that makes the place coming. Get ready for a big earth pound.
Yeah, some big earth pound there.
That's right.
There's the lava brick. There's Molokai out there.
Do you think we're gonna make a big splash?
Yeah, kind of. I don't know if you can really see it on camera.
Dino track.
Dino track. Wow.
Hello, Spyro.
Hello, Slish.
Now, baby.
You're so weird. I don't understand you sometimes.
I don't understand these days.
No, I don't.
Oh, look at that.
Why are we talking like this? I don't understand.
You don't understand.
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
I don't
Dude, look
understand.
at that way.
It's the tiniest wave
Look
we've
this
seen
way.
yet. Oh, this one?
And maybe the next. Yep. Oh, this guy's boogie boarding.
Oh.
He missed it. He missed the wave, dude.
I know.
I think he's gonna catch that wave. Oh yeah, he does have flippers on.
I suppose it makes sense.
Oh yeah, dude, look at this guy.
And there's the ocean.
These are really tiny, right?
Yeah, they are pretty tiny compared to yesterday.
Yeah, they're like, take the biggest wave we've seen,
Multiply by
times
2.
3 times. No, times 3.
Yeah, but that would be like an extra big one.
Yeah, but
Like a